Green tea has been cherished for centuries, especially in Asian cultures, for its refreshing taste and powerful health benefits. But beyond being a soothing drink, green tea is now recognized as an effective tool for weight management. Scientific research supports the idea that green tea can help accelerate fat burning, boost metabolism, and even reduce appetite, making it a natural aid for those looking to shed extra pounds. If you're wondering how to lose weight drinking green tea, this video explores 5 science-backed ways green tea weight loss works. Watch to the end because we'll also be sharing practical tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to share it with a friend. Together, we can support and inspire each other to be the best we can on our weight loss journey. One of the most significant green tea benefits for weight loss is its ability to increase metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food and stored fat into energy. The faster your metabolism, the more efficiently your body burns calories, even when you're at rest. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that play a key role in boosting metabolic function. The most prominent catechin in green tea, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, helps increase the rate at which your body breaks down fat. Additionally, green tea contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that has been shown to enhance fat oxidation or fat burning by 10 to 17% when combined with EGCG. Scientific evidence shows that individuals who regularly drink green tea for weight loss experience a 3 to 4% increase in calorie burning per day. Some research even suggests up to 8%. While this may seem small over time, it can make a substantial difference in weight management. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men who consume green tea extract burned 17% more fat during moderate intensity exercise than those who did not. This suggests that drinking green tea before workouts can enhance fat burning effects. What this means for weight loss: drinking green tea weight loss drinks daily can result in higher calorie burn throughout the day, helping you maintain a calorie deficit. When consumed before exercise, green tea benefits include enhancing fat oxidation, leading to more effective workouts. A sustained increase in metabolism can help prevent weight regain after dieting. Thermogenesis is the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. This process is essential for weight loss, as it helps the body use stored fat for energy. Green tea has been found to stimulate thermogenesis, increasing the body's energy expenditure. This is largely due to the synergistic effects of caffeine and catechins, which enhance the body's ability to burn fat more efficiently. One study found that drinking green tea increases energy expenditure by 4%, which could translate to an additional 70 to 100 calories burned per day without additional effort. Scientific evidence research has shown that individuals who consume green tea daily experience a higher rate of fat oxidation, particularly around the abdominal area. Another study found that participants who consumed green tea extract lost more weight over 12 weeks compared to those who did not. What this means for weight loss: green tea weight loss benefits include a natural calorie burning effect that supports long-term weight management. Drinking green tea before workouts can increase the amount of fat burned during exercise. The increase in energy expenditure from green tea can help prevent the slowdown in metabolism that often occurs during weight loss. Not only does green tea for weight loss help you burn fat, but it can also prevent your body from absorbing and storing new fat. How green tea prevents fat storage. Inhibiting fat absorption. Green tea has been found to interfere with the absorption of dietary fat, reducing the amount stored in the body. Some research suggests that green tea blocks the action of certain digestive enzymes responsible for breaking down fat molecules, allowing them to pass through the body without being absorbed. Regulating hormones that control fat storage. Green tea can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents the accumulation of visceral fat or belly fat, preventing the formation of new fat cells. Some studies suggest that green tea may inhibit the development of new fat cells, making it harder for the body to regain weight after losing it. What this means for weight loss: drinking green tea weight loss beverages regularly may help block fat absorption, reducing overall fat accumulation. Green tea can support long-term weight management by making it harder for your body to store excess fat. Improved insulin sensitivity can help reduce cravings and control appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Green tea helps suppress appetite and reduce cravings. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is controlling hunger and avoiding overeating. The good news is that green tea health benefits include appetite regulation. How green tea controls appetite. Regulating blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to intense cravings. Green tea helps maintain steady glucose levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that trigger hunger, suppressing ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Some studies suggest that green tea can lower ghrelin levels, making you feel full for longer, providing natural satiety. The warm, soothing nature of green tea can reduce stress-related cravings, especially for high-calorie comfort foods. What this means for weight loss. Drinking green tea between meals may help reduce snacking and calorie intake. Green tea can be a helpful tool for those who struggle with emotional eating or sugar cravings. When combined with a healthy diet, green tea benefits include longer-lasting satiety, helping you eat fewer calories. Green tea enhances exercise performance and fat oxidation. Green tea doesn't just help with weight loss passively, it can also improve your workout performance, making your fat-burning sessions more effective. How green tea enhances exercise. Studies show that drinking green tea before exercising leads to higher rates of fat burning. The combination of caffeine and catechins can improve focus and endurance, allowing you to push harder during workouts. What this means for weight loss. Drinking green tea for weight loss before exercise can increase fat burning by up to 17%. Green tea can improve stamina and energy levels, making workouts feel easier and more effective. When combined with strength training and cardio, green tea weight loss benefits can help tone and define muscles. So what are the health benefits of green tea? In addition to its numerous advantages for overall wellness, green tea is an excellent natural aid for weight loss. By boosting metabolism, enhancing fat burning, suppressing appetite, and improving exercise performance, green tea can support your fitness journey in multiple ways. For the best green tea health benefits, aim to drink 3 to 5 cups per day. Choose high-quality green tea and pair it with a healthy diet and regular exercise.
We're going to break down the 7 key health benefits of drinking green tea every day and how it can support weight loss and overall health. Like and subscribe for more videos like this to help you live a healthy lifestyle. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Green tea is loaded with bioactive polyphenols such as flavonoids and catechins, which act as powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from free radical damage, which can contribute to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and chronic health conditions. The catechin epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, is one of the most potent antioxidants found in green tea and has been studied for its role in reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall health. The health benefits of drinking green tea daily include its ability to combat oxidative stress, which is a leading factor in cellular damage. Studies suggest that regularly consuming green tea can lower the risk of certain cancers, reduce inflammation, and even improve skin health by fighting signs of aging. While some studies suggest that green tea drinkers may have lower cancer rates, it's important to remember that correlation does not imply causation. However, incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like green tea into your diet can support overall health and help reduce the risk of various diseases, including heart disease and neurodegenerative disorders. 2. Supports oral health. Bad breath, green tea might be the solution. The catechins found in green tea have been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for bad breath, such as Streptococcus mutans. Additionally, these compounds reduce plaque buildup, lowering the risk of cavities and gum disease. The natural antibacterial and antiviral properties of green tea may also help reduce the occurrence of infections in the mouth. The health benefits of green tea extend beyond fresh breath. Research has shown that the antimicrobial properties of green tea can help prevent tooth decay, reduce inflammation in the gums, and even lower the risk of periodontal disease. The benefits of drinking green tea regularly include maintaining better oral hygiene naturally. Some studies even suggest that green tea can help prevent the formation of biofilms, which are clusters of bacteria that contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. Swapping out sugary drinks for green tea can be an excellent way to promote a healthier mouth and protect your teeth for years to come. Benefit 3. Provides a stable energy boost. Unlike coffee, which can sometimes cause jitters and energy crashes, green tea provides a more stable and sustained energy boost. It contains 30 to 50 milligrams of caffeine per cup, which is about half the amount found in coffee. This mild caffeine content, combined with an amino acid called L-theanine, enhances focus and alertness without the jittery side effects of coffee. L-theanine promotes relaxation by increasing the production of calming neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which help improve mood and concentration. This combination of L-theanine and caffeine creates a balanced and smooth energy boost, making green tea an excellent choice for those who need focus and clarity without feeling overstimulated. The health benefits of green tea also include enhanced brain function, better reaction times, and improved cognitive performance. If you're looking for a way to stay energized throughout the day without the afternoon crash, drinking green tea is a great alternative to coffee and other high-caffeine beverages. 4. Promotes heart health. Research indicates that green tea can support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Additionally, human and animal studies suggest that green tea helps reduce blood pressure, which is crucial for preventing heart disease and strokes. The flavonoids in green tea improve blood vessel function, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, or hardening of the arteries, and other cardiovascular conditions. Drinking green tea as part of a heart-healthy lifestyle can contribute to better cardiovascular function over time. The health benefits of drinking green tea include improved circulation, reduced risk of hypertension, and better overall cardiovascular health. Some studies have even suggested that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of heart disease-related mortality, making it a smart choice for those looking to support their heart health naturally. If you want to experience the long-term green tea health benefits, consider making it a daily habit. Quick favor: if you are finding this information helpful, hit the subscribe button below. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to keep you informed and healthy. Green tea has been linked to increased fat burning and metabolism, making it a popular choice for those looking to lose weight. Some studies suggest that the catechins in green tea may help reduce fat storage by inhibiting new blood vessel formation in fat tissues. This process deprives fat cells of the nutrients they need to grow, potentially leading to weight loss. Additionally, green tea has been shown to enhance fat oxidation, meaning the body can burn fat more efficiently for energy. A study found that consuming green tea extract before exercise led to a higher rate of fat burning during physical activity. The health benefits of drinking green tea daily can support weight management by increasing metabolism and enhancing calorie expenditure. However, the results vary from person to person, and green tea alone is not a magic solution for shedding pounds. It works best when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Green tea may help protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Catechins in green tea have been shown in animal and lab studies to reduce the buildup of plaque in the brain, which is associated with cognitive decline. The antioxidants in green tea also help protect neurons from damage, potentially delaying or preventing age-related cognitive decline. Additionally, the presence of L-theanine in green tea enhances brain function by increasing dopamine levels, promoting relaxation, and reducing anxiety. Regular consumption of green tea may help maintain cognitive function and protect against mental decline as you age. The health benefits of drinking green tea every day include improved memory, better mental clarity, and a reduced risk of developing neurodegenerative disorders. Several studies have found that people who drink 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day tend to live longer and have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Green tea's impact on longevity may be due to its ability to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and support brain function. A study conducted in Japan found that individuals who consumed higher amounts of green tea had a lower risk of all-cause mortality. While green tea is not a miracle drink that guarantees longevity, its numerous health benefits contribute to a healthier lifestyle, which can enhance overall well-being and potentially extend life expectancy. The health benefits of drinking green tea regularly support a long, healthy life. Green tea is a powerhouse of health benefits, offering support for heart health, brain function, weight management, and more. By including green tea into your daily routine, you can take advantage of its powerful antioxidants and other nutrients that promote overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, green tea can be a simple yet effective addition to a healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on living your healthiest, happiest life. Do you drink green tea? What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about the health benefits of drinking green tea for weight loss, watch this next video.